Hello guys, what's up? How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's Brenda again with another video. In today's video, it's a different one. We're going to see that roads in Kampala are really being constructed and they are really looking nice. And again, you're going to see that the main means of transport here is taxis. I don't know how they call it, so guys, you're going to see that the means of transport here is taxis, because at least wherever you pass, you're going to see either one or two. So guys, enjoy the video. And again, you're going to see that Africa is really nice and green. We are not hungry guys, so because we are just agriculturists. Yeah, so guys, you enjoy the video, stay with me to the end as I tour around Kampala, and see you in the next one. Please watch the video to the end. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share to your friends. Bye. Ciao. Enjoy the video to the end. Enjoy the beautiful scenery in Africa, Uganda.